Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ravian, Assistant Professor, Department of MCOM, BGS Institute of Management Studies, Chikaballapur. Dear students, in this video I am going to explain the concept Human Resource Information System. Okay. Before step into the different models of information system, the two human resource information system, let me give you the clarity what is the meaning of human resource information system. Here is the meaning for the human resource information system. See, in short, we do call this as a HRIS, that is human resource information system. Here is the meaning. See, human resource information system is a software or online solution for the data entry, data tracking, and data information needs of the business, of the human resource. The two for payroll management and accounting functions like payroll administration, human resource management, so all those things, recording of the transactions related to human resource in the organization, so everything, so that too within a one particular business organization. So that is what human resource management system, or it is also known as human resource information system. See, it is one kind of information system, or it is a software, or it is one of the data entry tool to track the data related to human resource of a one particular organization. And this information system provides the data relating to human resource in which one can manage entire details of the human resource of the organization. See, a human resource management system, it is also call it as human capital management. Human capital management. See, we have three different words for HRIS. One is human resource management system, another one is human resource information system, and finally another one is human capital management. Okay, see, it is one form of human resource software, so which will combine a number of systems and processes to ensure the easy management of human resources in an organization, and also it enables to manage the business processes and data in the organization. Human resource management is about building a people of the organization and managing the activities related to human resource, and it is about ensuring employee engagement, conducting fair company wide practices, and maintaining the overall health of the organization. And also, human resource software is used by business to combine a number of necessary HR functions like storing employee data, managing payroll, recruitment, benefits administration, time and attendance of the employees, and employee performance evaluation and performance management, and tracking competency of the employees, and maintaining the records relating to the training and competencies, performance appraisal of the employees. So each and everything comes under this human resource management. Okay, so these things will be managed and stored in human resource information system. See, it is all about human resource, the information system which helps to maintain the records and to manage the records or information through this information system, the two human resource information system. See, a human resource management system ensures everyday human resource processes are manageable and easy to access in the organization, and it also merges human resources as a discipline, and in a particular it is basic HR activities and processes within the information technology field. See, whereas the programs is being framed and processing systems evolved into standardized routine and packages, that to like enterprise resource planning So we have different softwares like ERP and all those things. So see, ERP also, it is related to human resource management system or human resource information system. Okay, so these human resource information system provide a means of acquiring, storing and analyzing and distributing the information to the various stakeholders in the organization. So the main theme of this HRIS is to provide information that to by acquiring the data from various sources like internal and external sources, and that will be stored in different storage devices, and that will be analyzed by using various application softwares, and finally that will be distributed to the different stakeholders as a information. So that work will be done by the human resource information system. Okay, so here I am going to explain one example. I'll go with one example. See, let me consider I have one organization in which I have installed one HRIS, that is human resource information system. See, first I has to do is I have to give information in input, okay, by using different input devices. Okay, so I have given an input like hours worked by the different employees. Okay, so I have 100 employees in the organization, and number of hours worked by that 100 employees is given as a input to the HRIS, and that will be processed in a CPU like calculation of net pay. Like see, number of hours worked by the employees is used to know the net payment is to be payable to that employees, so that in system that will be processed automatically by using HRIS software. Okay, and nextly that will be gives output like cut paycheck in the sense what amount is to be payable to the particular employee or to the overall 100 employees in said example. Okay, so this is how HRIS work in a organization. First, company has to give input as a information. That information will be processed by using information system, and then that information system will provide output or a final end results, which will be used by the organization for their decision making purpose. Okay, this is the meaning. And next, let me go for objectives of human resource information system. So here are some objectives. Why these information system is for what purpose we need these HRIS. Here are some objectives. There are some objectives or objectivity behind information system, that to HRIS, human resource information system. The first and foremost objective of the human resource information system is to make the desired information available in the right form to the right person and at the right time. See, the main purpose or objective of the HRIS is to provide a right information in the right form to the right person at the right time. See, timely information is essential to make a decisions. Even in case of human resource, the organization has to take a right decisions at the right time. In order to make a right decisions at the right time, company require right information or correct and authenticated information. That authenticated and correct information can be collected from various sources, internal and external sources. Okay, so by providing of that database or the information is possible through this human resource information system, so that the objective of this HRIS is to provide the data. And next objective is to supply the desired information at a reasonable cost. See, it provides information at the right time to the right person, and also it used to consider the cost factor also. It will provide the data at a lesser cost. See, by keeping in mind, HRIS will be prepared. That will be programmed like information will be provided at a lower cost. Okay, in such a way that HRIS will be programmed. And next objective is to use the most efficient method of processing data. See, if company has a effective processing methodology to process the data related to human resource, definitely they can reduce the cost. Okay, they can reduce the managing cost in the organization. Okay, so that the objective of HRIS is to use the most efficient method of processing data. So we have different methodologies to process the data related to human resource. So it will suggest the best method, and even at the time of programming the HRIS only, so they do decide, they'll take a decision what methodology is to be used for processing of data related to human resource. Okay, this is also one of the objective of HRIS. And next objective is to provide necessary security and secrecy for important and are confidential information. See, HRIS not only reduce the cost, or not only process the data, or not only provide the data to the required stakeholders, even this HRIS also provide a necessary security and secrecy. It will provide the security by using various authenticated methodologies, like security methods like passwords and screen locks, patterns, and so on. By using those methodologies, it provides a security to the HRIS, or security to the information which is saved in a HRIS. And also it maintains secrecy. It maintains secrecy of information related to human resource of the organization. Okay, so this is also one of the main we can consider this as an advantage, as well as the main objective of the human resource information system, that to maintain secrecy regarding information, and also confidentiality maintenance is possible through this HRIS. Okay, and next objective of HRIS is to keep the information up to date. See, updated data is important. See, every day the information technology is upgrading, so up to the mark we have to provide information. The right information is required, right? See, as and when the company changes its rules and regulations, human resource also has to change the rules and regulations. They has to follow and they has to obey those rules and regulations. Okay, so that this information system will keep the information up to date. By using this application or application software, the employees will get to know the changed rules and regulations of the organization, so that it keep records of the information, the two rules changed in the organization, or whatever the changes made related to human resource in the organization, that will be recorded in the HRIS. So by that employees will come to know what and all the changes is been happen in the organization. So by providing that information, it make aware of the employees about changes in the organization. Okay, so this is also one advantage and objective of the human resource information system. Yes, next let me go for some HRMS models and functions of these human resource information system. See, I already told you that human resource information system is also considered as human resource management system. See, this human resource management system or human resource information system helps to make decisions with regarding these aspects which are mentioned in the picture. Okay, let me explain you that. Firstly, personal data management. See, personal data management by this software, that HRIS software handles all the company's recruiting needs, and it also tracks the candidate information and resumes. It enables recruiters to match the job openings to suitable candidates from the company's application pool and helps in guiding the hiring process. See, this personal data management, see, personal data management is nothing but HRMS or HRIS used to manage the data related to human resource, personal profiles of different employees who are working in the organization. Okay, so that will be done by HRMS or HRIS. And next is resource management. Resource management in the sense, so this HRIS used to maintain the records. See, it used to keep records of resources means that human resources. So how many employees are working, in what positions they are working, each and every data will be stored, will be keep recording by the HRIS in the organization. And next is skill management. See, it is very important in the organization. So what employees has what skills. See, different employees has different skills in the organization. See, based on that skills, that employees will be categorized and splitted into different groups and different works, right? So based on the skills of the employees only, they will be allotted to the different works in the organization. So that skill management is also one of the best and good function of the human resource information system. Because of that reason, see, because of allocation of the employees into different work based on the skills, so HRIS is required. So it function like it will manage each and every skill of a employee. Each and every employee skill will be maintained as their records in human resource information system. Okay, and next one is performance management. Okay, performance management. See here, performance appraisal and performance management is essential in the organization. See, performance management is a key part of managing people in the organization. See, performance ratings are generated once or multiple times a year by the direct manager or peers of the employees. That will be done through this human resource information system only. Performance appraisal is will be done through human resource information. Why? Because every data related to each and every employee who are working in the organization will be recorded by using this HRIS, so it is possible to analyze the performance of each and every employee in the organization. Okay, and next thing is attendance and leave management. See here, a time and attendance of the employees is very essential. This module gathers the time and attendance data from employees, and these are especially relevant for blue collar work, like what is it, blue collar work, and blue collar work where employees clock in and out. See, whenever employees clock in and clock out, that is to be recorded. Back in the day when I worked in a supermarket, we wrote the time worked down on a piece of paper, which was then manually entered into the time tracking system by the manager. Based on this data, payment orders were generated and paid to all employees. But nowadays these things happening through systematically. We have biometric. Is it or not? See, by using that biometric machines, we can give and we can maintain the records of attendance and the time of check-in and check-out, clock in and clock out. Okay, everything is possible by this human resource information system. And next thing is training administration. See, learning and development is a key element when it comes to employee management. This module allows HR, human resource, to track qualification, certification and skill of the employees, as well as an outline of available courses of company employees. See, this model is often referred to as a LMS and a learning management system. Okay, LMS is nothing but learning management system. See, when it is a standalone, an LMS, that is learning management system, usually includes available e-learning and other courses to be followed by employees. Okay, in what way company has to give training to the system, training to the employees, so that will be recorded in the human resource information system. That is also one of the function of human resource information system. And next thing is HR and benefit administration. See what all the benefits are giving by the company to the human resource of the organization. This is a functionality of the HRIS, is benefits management. See, employee benefits are an important aspect of a compensation and are also managed in this system. More advanced systems offer an employee self-service model for employee benefits. So in this case, what happens now, employees can select the benefits they are looking for themselves. One may want more paternity leave than the other one, a more expensive company car, and some employees will prefer expensive cars and other benefits like HRA, rent-free accommodation, and so on. Okay, so this self-service approach to the benefits is also called a cafeteria model. See, that cafeteria model are the benefits will be given to employees in the organization will be recordable and will be recorded in the human resource information system. And finally, final function, resource allocation. See, resource allocation is nothing but allocating the employees into different positions based on the skills. Okay, resource management is one hand, and in other hand, so a company has to allocate the resource into different categories or different work positions, then only they can achieve their targeted goals. See, if human being or human resource working in a good manner in the organization, so definitely one organization can achieve their goals. Otherwise, so definitely they has to incur losses. So that keeping records of human resource and the transactions related to human resource is very very essential in the organization. See, in a development viewpoint, it is very essential to manage the things related to human resource, so that there should be a one information system, and that is human resource information system or human resource management system. See, in a simple terminologies, I can say you human resource information system, it is one of the information system, or it is one of the software, or it is a programmed language which is used to manage the transactions related to human resource of the organization, and helps management or company to make decisions regarding with company human resource. Okay, and this human resource information system helps to manage the things like applicant tracking system, payroll, benefits of the organization, and time and attendance of the organization, the two regarding employees, and training of the employees, performance appraisal, and succession plannings regarding with the future plans related to employee development, and employee self-services, and reporting and analysis of each and every employee, and preparing reports, the two which will be automatically generated through information systems. Okay, so this is what the human resource information system is. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you all. Jai Shri Gurudev.